Hello? Anybody there? Anybody hear me? Hello? Hello? It's me, Carrie. I'm moving. I'm alive. My body goes in directions. I don't just stand there and go, and give you a weird look anymore. So now you can see my face. It looks like my brothers in arms who are atheists, and I say that very loosely. They like to refer to themselves as cultural creationists now all of a sudden because feminists are scary. Islam is killing the fuck out of everybody. And antitheism is now something to be spoken against. Now, I do realize being against religion isn't the norm. I mean, being kind of indifferent about religion is the norm. If I hear agnostic one more time, I'm going to start slapping people because you're just standing in the middle of the road going, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Time to move. So, antitheism. Religion is harmful. Boys, I'm talking to you right now. Look into my eye. Look into my eye. Stop being pussies. Religion is nonsense. I know feminists are scary. I know SJWs are scary. I know. But you can't fight ridiculous with more ridiculous ideas. You just can't do it. Especially when they're dangerous. Now, I'm going to start doing it this way now. I mean, on camera. So you can see the disgust and the absolute shock in my eyes and on my face as I go through some of these stupid videos and as I go through some of these videos that are now the alt-right is turning on its female supporters. They're like, shut up, sit down, get in the kitchen, get pregnant, get off of social media, let the big boys take care of this. I fucking told you so. Religion is not the answer, ladies. Now, gentlemen, you created feminism by enforcing religion on women, and I'm not a feminist by any means. I'm just a female who has two brain cells that actually cooperate pretty well with one another, and I have my husband. So my husband, he's pretty damn smart as well. You guys think I'm brutal? You shouldn't meet him. I'm the soft one in this relationship. So anyway, all right, ladies. Lauren Southern, fuck's sake, girl. You youngin'. Let Mama Carrie teach you a few things about how to handle these boys. I mean, and it's not with religion, and it's not telling them, yes, you would make a fantastic father and husband. That's not, I can't do a Canadian accent. Like, I can't, obviously, I'm Southern. But this has gotten ridiculous. This has gotten out of hand. It's time for a lady to step forward and go, what the fuck, people? No! Cultural Christianity, I can't even say it. Cultural Christianity is not the answer to fucking Islam. It's just not. You guys want to be friends with the people who have a little bit of sense? Hi, I'll be your friend. Don't tell me I'm being a bigot or I'm oppressing you. Or I'll laugh at you. So, anyway, this is the way I'm going to start doing it. Obviously not on my cell phone with it all in my face and crap. Not going to do that, but this is an issue. Antitheism or get the fuck out. See you soon. Fucking bastards.